Still, a number of investors are on the sidelines ahead of the election in the UK tomorrow, the ECB meeting over there, and, of course, the Comey Q&A, the testimony in Congress. If you're maybe a little nervous about your investments, so are the wealthy, as it turns out. Tiger 21 is a group of over 500 ultra-rich members, $46 billion in personal assets, and the CEO is here, Barbara Goodstein. Barbara, it's good to see you. Thank you very much for coming in. How are wealthy people, generally speaking, handling this environment? To me, it seems like they're kind of ignoring the noise, but how do they really feel?
Well, you know, this is why people join Tiger 21. We spend time every month preparing our members so that they're properly diversified, so that they can weather fluctuations on a daily basis in the market. Our members only hold 20% of their portfolios in public equities, so they're less susceptible to change in the markets on an ongoing basis.
Yeah, and the markets obviously have hung in there quite nicely at 21,165 on the Dow for all of us screaming about headlines out of Washington and everywhere else. I mean, technology to me has been very, very interesting to watch. The NASDAQ's hit 36 new highs this year, right? And many of these companies that we talk so much about, whether it's Alphabet or Amazon or Google, Facebook, on, have been the big stories this year stock-wise. That's a way for us to almost forget about politics. Will they continue to do as well, technology stocks, the big ones, do you think?
Well, our members invest heavily in technology stocks, but interestingly, they're also investing in passive investments. So they're also investing in ETFs, because ETFs are where you can generate return and pay the least. So you can have a cost-effective return, and then technology stocks, you can see some growth and some upside.
Okay, and ETFs in the technology industry you're talking about specifically?
Well, ETFs that mirror the S&P.
Right,
so
or mirror the S&P overall. So you're just following the market, and you recommend, even in this environment more so than others, index fund investing, so to speak?
Well, that's what our members are doing. They're doing passive investing, but interestingly, we've seen the greatest rise in real estate right now. So our members have increased their holdings in real estate to up to 32%.
Is that all over the country? And what do you pick out? We're real quick. We're getting closer to the bell here.
So they're looking at REITs, but they're also looking at actively managed portfolios. Real estate gives them the opportunity to have non-homogeneous holdings and to have some active participation. It gives you, you can own it, it's tangible, and it's income producing. Okay,
we're getting set for the closing bell. There it is with the Dow up 35. Anything that really keeps you up at night that you're really concerned about at this point? Or?
Well, I think that's why people invest in private equity, because they can control what they're investing in and they know that space.
Interesting. I told you before you got on, we'd get a lot in a short amount of time. Thank you. Barbara Goodstein there.